Welcome back to my YouTube channel at Nandini Art and Craft. So today I am back with more video. So today in my new video I'm gonna show you how to make easy DIY notebook, and it is a cute notebook with the style of a mobile phone. So let's start with the procedure. But before starting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel, and make sure to hit the subscribe red button and bell icon to get more and more notifications about my upcoming videos. And I hope you all will like my video which I'm going to show you now. So let's just start with the procedure without any delay. See, this notebook I will show you how to make. You can write anything according to your wish inside the notebook. See how beautiful it is looking. Now just you can keep something in the pocket of this notebook, as I'm keeping my cute stickers like this. So for making the notebook, take here a A4 size paper, or this measure of the paper is 24 by 20 centimeter, and fold this paper into half as I'm showing. Now open it, fold it like this into this half, and then turn back, and now fold it like this. It will form three pairs of dents inside the paper. Now just mark crease all over. Now just fold it into half like this, and then open it like this. Now open it again. Now fold into half like this, and again give it a fold as like this as I'm showing, and just cut this portion from the top to this middle point using scissors, and mark the crease inside the notebook and fold it like this. It will form, see, this type of notebook. Now let's make a outer cover of the notebook. So we're gonna make here a design of mobile phone. So take here a piece of rectangular paper according to the size of this notebook. Now just take pencil and ruler and keep it as forth and cut 4 centimeter. Now you will get here a shape of a square smaller than this notebook. Now keep your ruler here and fold these ends from the right and left side. Do the same process, and from the bottom. Now mark here a folds from these shapes, and just take here a fevicol and just stick these two ends like this. Now stick it like this on the notebook like this. Now let it dry for some time. Now take here a black color pen and mark here the symbols of mobile phone, whatever you wish to make. See, now just using ruler mark here one line. Now take here a black color sketch pen or marker and draw here two eyes. Now take here a one glitter pen or any sketch pen and draw here two cute dimples. You can give a shining to the lips. And now using black sketch pen I have marked here the lines on all the four corners. Now using red sketch pen draw here any pattern whatever you wish to like. See how cute they are looking. So see, I am writing here my tags. So I hope you all guys like the. So also you can keep here a sticker or whatever you want to keep inside the pocket. And I hope you all guys like the video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and make sure to hit the bell icon placed in the corner for getting more and more notifications about my upcoming videos. And yes, must try these mini cute diaries for your secret purpose or your any available purpose. So thank you for watching. I hope you all guys like the video. So till then, bye bye. We will meet soon in the next video.